Hi, I'm here at CES with Katrina Herman at Withings. Hi, Katrina.
Hi, Teresa.
We would love to know more about Withings and where the mission is going.
Yeah, absolutely. So Withings is a French connected health company with an ecosystem of connected health products, ranging from smart scales to smartwatches, blood pressure monitors, a sleep tracking mat, a home urine lab. All the products sync via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth to our free Withings app, where you could track your trends over time, get personalized health feedback, and also share data with your doctor if necessary.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, and can you talk more about the products that we have in front of us and tell us all the benefits of it and overall how it improves?
Yeah, absolutely. Before I dive into the products, I want to actually showcase our Omnia booth experience, because that is fueled by our products and it will help explain the story a little bit better. So this year at Omnia at CES, we're presenting our Omnia booth experience. Omnia is our vision of the future of health, fueled by our existing products and services available within the Withings app. So when you step on Omnia, it takes the measurements of one of our smart scales. So our full body composition, so fat, muscle, bone, water, heart rate, and ECG. So the measurements that our body scan connected health station takes. And then on top of that, the screen of the Omnia experience loops in the health measurements taken by the rest of our Withings ecosystem. So activity data from our smartwatch, an ECG measurement from our smartwatch or our smart scale, blood pressure data, sleep data, any data from any Withings product that you have from the comfort of your home. And then it's shown on the Omnia screen, and then using integrated generative AI, Omnia provides personalized feedback to help make sense of the health measurements that are complementary. So it will help compare your blood pressure to your ECG, your activity to your sleep, to help the consumer make sense of it, because it's only useful to have this accurate health data if you know what to do with it. So once you receive the AI feedback directly on the Omnia screen, at the end of the experience, you'll get the recommended next steps. So one recommended next steps is a service that's available already on the Withings app called Cardio Checkup. So Omnia will recommend to the user to send their next ECG measurement if an AFib episode was detected, let's say the day before, to send the next ECG measurement directly to the cardiologist available within the Withings network through our service called Cardio Checkup. So this is a service that's launching this month in the Withings app. So even though Omnia is in a futuristic form factor and it's not available for sale, it's just a futuristic form factor, but it's representing our vision for the future of health using existing products and services. So essentially, the future of health is already here within the Withings app.
Right. And it's the future of people's homes too.
Absolutely.
Right? They're staying connected at home, monitoring their own health, and sending that over to their doctor.
Absolutely.
All day. That's
so
incredible.
The vision of Withings is actually to improve the lives of our users by embedding more health features into products that users already use within their everyday lives. So smartwatches, to smart scales, to blood pressure monitors. So our goal is to democratize healthcare by creating beautiful products that are easy to use and have long battery lives, so to encourage users to track their health over the long term.
Yeah, that's incredible.
And
wow.
from the comfort of their home as well.
Most importantly.
Yeah.
Right? Amazing. And what's been the reception at CES so far?
The booth has been buzzing. So
I see.
We've had such good feedback on the stand for even just having this forward-thinking future of healthcare concept. And on top of that, whatever we're presenting on Omnia is already existing. So though it's our vision of the future, we are also demonstrating products that are already available for sale. So we've gotten such great feedback from retailers to journalists to just technophiles themselves or existing Withings consumers that are coming to our stand. And it's really, really amazing to hear their stories, if they have personal health stories of how our products have already improved their lives or detected their conditions like AFib or sleep apnea.
Yep.
And to be honest, that just drives us as a company to keep on going further, innovate more products and services that are accurate, FDA cleared, and improve the lives of future consumers moving forward.
Absolutely, and continuing learning for consumers.
Yeah.
They're taking control of their everyday lives.
Absolutely.
That's incredible.
Absolutely.
Well, I would also love to see this in action. I know you have a B2B monitor available for us to see if we can.
Absolutely. I'd love to show you.
Awesome. So I think we're going to introduce
Sadie
Moore.
from our B2B business, and she'll talk about the B2B business and one of our key products that we're presenting at CES called BPM Pro 2. So I'll hand the mic over to Sadie.
Awesome, thank you.
Hi Teresa, how are
Sadie.
you?
Good, how are you?
Good. I'm Sadie Moore. I'm the sales manager on the Withings Health Solutions team. So I handle our partnerships for our B2B partners. Withings Health Solutions is the division of Withings that's dedicated to serving the healthcare providers across the US in different digital healthcare programs where people might need to use Withings Health Solutions. Patients are consumers too, so let's get them some nice, easy to use devices.
Beautiful. And I see this is a beautiful B2B monitor, right?
Yeah.
Can you tell us more about the product, how it works, and how it benefits?
Absolutely. So this is our BPM Pro 2. This is our newest cellular blood pressure monitor. Withings actually invented the idea of a connected blood pressure monitor quite a while ago. And then we brought a cellular blood pressure monitor to our B2B division about 4 years ago. So the amazing thing about cellular devices is they don't require any interaction with an app or a smartphone to get them set up. So if we can think about maybe a little bit less tech-savvy community or people who don't need any barriers of entry in the way of getting started with their device, these cellular devices are so great for healthcare programs to be able to get people started on a blood pressure monitor as easily as possible and be able to view that data in their system. So their doctor or their coach or their provider is viewing their blood pressure data while they're in the comfort of their own home. So we're super excited that we won a CES Innovation Award for this BPM Pro 2, and we're excited to see where it can go in the market.
Amazing, wow. And so you're saying this is consistently monitored from home, constant communications with their doctors too on it.
Exactly.
That's absolutely beautiful, wow.
Yeah, what's really crazy is the ability for two-way communication, and that's something that has not really been seen as much in the remote patient monitoring world on a device itself. So right now people, nurses, doctors, providers are having to call patients every single day and ask them the same 7 to 10 questions about their symptoms, about their medication, to complement the blood pressure readings, give some context around the readings. So what we actually built is the ability to ask those questions right in this device. So providers, nurses, caregivers, when they do have those patient interactions, they're able to have more meaningful interactions given the information that they already got right from the device itself.
Amazing, wow. Well, thank you so much. Thank you both so much for being here, taking the time to talk with us more about Withings, and thank you guys.
Absolutely, thanks for coming by the booth.
I